In previous video, we saw how to get the data from the different data sources. Now we will be learning about the different data quality analysis using the Power Query editor. Let us load the Excel file and select the data sheet. And if you want to transform the data before loading it, you have to hit the Transform Data tab. In the left hand side down below, you can have an idea about the data quantity. In this example, the data contains 13 columns and 12 rows. Also notice that there are some applied steps in the right hand side. You can see that there are 4 steps which are automatically applied by the Power Query editor. If you will do some more data transformations, more steps will be added down below it. Let us analyze these 4 steps. First step is the source step, in which it tries to connect to your data sources. The second step is the navigation step, in which the data is extracted from the selected sheet. You can also note that the data headers are still in the first row. Now you can make this first row as header by selecting the option Use First Row as Header. Here it is already done by Power Query editor in the third step called as Promoted Headers. Now you can see in the Promoted Header tab, the first row is assigned as the header of the data sheet, and the data type is also not assigned for any of the column. It will be assigned in the fourth step. You can note that the text data type is assigned to product and discount column, and unit sold column is assigned as decimal number, and so on. Now you can see that Power BI has automatically detected the data type of first 2 columns as text because the data is clean. In the third and fourth column, the data type is selected as numeric, although it has one null and one NaN values respectively. But for the fifth, sixth, and seventh column, the data type is undefined as it contains text irregularity and error. For further analysis, go to the View tab and select Column Quality. The column quality is showing as valid except for the columns containing the errors. You can check the reason of error by clicking on it. In column 3, it's showing that the column contains some null values in it. So using the column quality, you can find the error and missing entries. Now select column distribution. It will give you the details about distinct and unique entries. The column distribution is missing for the column containing errors. Moving one step ahead, if you will select column profile, column statistics will come in front of you like count, distinct values, unique values, and so on. Here, the word electronics are counted as different entry because the text is case sensitive. The third column shows that it has one blank entry. Manufacturing price column has one NaN entry, while sales price, gross sales, and discount do not show any statistics as it contains errors. Let us see some text discrepancies also. Select Show White Space and check Monospace checkbox also, as it will give you more clear view. Observe the column Marketplace State. You can see some additional spaces before text in line number 2. In line number 3, the two texts are in different lines, and in line number 4, there are more spaces between the two words. Now let us load the data into Power BI. without removing the errors. It will show that the data is loaded with 3 errors. In the next video, we'll be learning how to clean the data using Power Query Editor. So, we have covered some of the data discrepancies which can be observed using column quality, column distribution, and column profile. Thank you.